everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a video in Canva with music. So first open Canva and click on the video icon available at the center of your screen. Now this will open a video template section. Here you can see there are lots of videos available, view templates. So you can choose any of this. I'm taking this one. After that we have to add audio into it. So in the left hand panel, scroll down until you find the audio tab. Once you click on this, here you will see there is a list of audio tracks available because this is a Canva audio library. So if you have the pro version, then you can add the pro audio tracks available. But if you don't have it, just click on music free and here you will see the list of audio tracks option that we can use for free. So select any of this, just drag it and drop into the timeline. Adjust the audio according to the video length, and once everything looks good, click on the play button to preview it. Ensure that the sound is great. Once you are happy, click on the share button at the top right side, download it, and your video is ready with music. So that's it. That's how you can create a video in Canva with music. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.